Alright, now we're gonna put the last one on. Goes right here on the other side. Inside that hole. Eight millimeter. Alright, so got the grill back on. Now we just gotta put these clips on right here. These are marked. This one's the right side. Right side, and that's the left side. Sort of pride in pulling them out, so I don't know if it's gonna go back on or if they're broken or not. I don't know why. Put it on the wrong side. What you do is there's a hole right there, and you put that right on the extra screw. Slam it up there. Finally, these last two things go right there. At least these are rubber, so it'll go back in easy. Well, that's what I thought. Alright, that one's staying down because that one's broke before. One final, once around the car. That's what it looks like with the plasti dip grill. pretty productive day, guys. If you want to see me plasti dipping the rims on how to tape them off, and what type of paint I used Rust-Oleum Pure Coat Graphite for the grill and the rims. Just go check out my other video. Thanks. Comment, subscribe, rate. Later.